What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Xiaomi phone which is not charging. So to fix this charging issue, first of all check your charger and cable. So you can check the charger and cable by charging another phone with the cable, and if the charger and cable are not charging another phone also, then you can change your charger to fix this charging issue. So after changing charger and cable, if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down, and here when the button gets green, then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the charging issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is enable fast charging. So for that, open settings, tap on, scroll down and tap on battery, and then tap on additional features. Now here you will see a speed up charging button. So if this button is disabled, then turn it back on, and after turning on this button, it will help you to fix the charging issue. So that's how you can fix the Xiaomi phone which is not charging. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.